How to edit a message in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to edit message on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now, to edit a message where you have sent, simply locate the channel or chat and simply open it, just like this. After opening it, you will find the message. Now keep on tapping onto that message, just like this. Then here you can find edit message right here. Select it. Now simply edit it just like this and tap onto the check mark. And now we can see the message has been edited, and you will see the symbol of edited as well. And that's it. This is how you can edit a message in Slack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.